Hey there, today we're going to look at how to easily insert photos or images into text in Canva. So let's get started. First, go to the Elements section and add a square shape. Over here, resize the square so it fits your canvas properly, then set its color to black. After that, go to the Text section and add a heading. Type your word, for example, surf. Now make the text white, enlarge it, and choose your desired font. Then download this text design to your computer. Next, upload the downloaded image back to Canva. Add a new page and upload the photo you want to place inside the text. Now, place the text image you just uploaded on top. Click Edit Image and remove the background. After that, resize the text image so it's larger than the background photo. Then click Edit Image again, go to the Duotone section, select the cherry option, and set the shadow color to white. And there you go, your image is now placed inside the text in Canva. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.